Madam, please take the position. In corner side. Madam, take the position.
Good morning, sir. Welcome to Future Kids Public School. My name is Purvi Gupti. We are studying in 6th standard. Introduction of biogas. Biogas refers to a plant which is made up of many gases. Can I try one more time? To a mixture of many gases produced when the breakdown of many organic matter in the absence of oxygen. Biogas is a renewable energy source. Biogas is produced by the anaerobic bacteria or fermentation with biodegradable materials.
Good morning, sir. My name is Disha from 6th class. Production. There are two types of biogas useful for the production of biogas. These are the dump fixed type of biogas plant, the floating gas holder type of biogas plant.
Good morning, sir. My name is Ankita.
Good morning everyone, my name is Amulan. I am from 7th standard. Welcome to Future Kids Public School. Today our topic is pi. How the value of pi will come, today we will see. So, the value of pi will come by dividing circumference by diameter, which is, the examples are, the diameter of circle is 28 centimeter. If diameter is 28 centimeter, the circumference will come 88 centimeter. Which is, I have told that if the value of pi will come means we should do circumference by diameter, which is 88 divided by 28. Now we should simplify it. If we will simplify it, the answer will come 22 by 7, which is the value of pi. I have took these circles, but any type of diameter with its circumference we will take means the answer will come 22 by 7 or 3.14. Thank you.
ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಭುವನೇಶ್ವರಿ. ನಾನು 7ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ನಿಮಗೆ ಶರಣರು ಮತ್ತು ಸಂತರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಪರಿಚಯ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧ ಶರಣರು ಬಸವಣ್ಣ, ಚನ್ನಬಸವಣ್ಣ, ಅಕ್ಕ ಮಹಾದೇವಿ ಮತ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲಂಪ್ರಭು. ಇವರು ಬಸವಣ್ಣನವರು 1134ರಂದು ವಿಜಯಪುರ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಬಾಗೇವಾಡಿ ಗ್ರಾಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಜನಿಸಿದರು. ಇವರ ತಂದೆ ಹೆಸರು ಮಾದರಸ ಮತ್ತು ತಾಯಿ ಮಾದಲಾಂಬಿಕೆ. ಕೂಡಲ ಸಂಗಮ ದೇವ ಇವರ ಅಂಕಿತ ನಾಮ ಮತ್ತು ಇವರು ಲಿಂಗಾಯತ ಧರ್ಮದ ಸ್ಥಾಪಕರು. ಕಾಯಕವೇ ಕೈಲಾಸ ಎಂದು ಸಾರಿದರು. ಇವರು ಚನ್ನಬಸವಣ್ಣನವರು 1172ರಂದು ಬಸವ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಜನಿಸಿದರು. ಇವರ ತಂದೆ ಹೆಸರು ಶಿವದೇವ ಮತ್ತು ತಾಯಿ ಅಕ್ಕನಾಗಲಾಂಬಿಕೆ. ಕೂಡಲ ಚನ್ನಸಂಗಮ ದೇವ ಇವರ ಅಂಕಿತನಾಮ ಮತ್ತು ಇವರು ಬಸವಣ್ಣನವರ ಸೋದರಳಿಯ. ಅಕ್ಕಮಹಾದೇವಿ ತಾಯಿಯರು ಉಡುತಡಿಯಿಂದ ಅನುಭವ ಮಂಟಪಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಚನ್ನಬಸವಣ್ಣನವರು ತನ್ನ ದಿವ್ಯ ತತ್ವಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಪರಿಚಯಿಸಿದರು.
Start man.
Good morning everyone. Welcome to Gnana Darshan exhibition. Today our topic is on Vikram rocket. Vikram rocket is a developed launch vehicle, and the company which had made the Vikram rocket is Skyroot. The Skyroot is in Hyderabad. Next, the Skyroot company was started in 2019, and this rocket core structure is built by the copper composite. Thank you.
My name is Abhishek. I am studying in external class.
Good morning everyone. My name is
We are telling about Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is an ivory white marble My name is Abhishek. I am studying in external class. Taj Mahal is an ivory white marble. Mausoleum in the Indian city of Agra. It is built by Shahjahan by Mughal Empire.
It is a very beautiful place. It is very beautiful place.
Start.
Good morning, sir. Welcome to Cricket's Public School Science and Art Exhibition. My name is Aarti.
My name is Apurva. My name is Ritika. My name is Nidhi.
We all are studying in 10th class. Today's our project is Effect of Internet. As you can see, here we have made the two division. Before the life of Internet, after the life of Internet. As you can see, people are communicating with each other before the invention of Internet. But after the invention of Internet, people are gathering but not talking with each other. They are busy in their mobile phone, laptop, etc. Our main motive is to decrease the use of Internet in our India. Thank you.
Myself Akshay. Myself Savitri. Today our topic is drip irrigation. The drip irrigation is nothing but it is a micro irrigation system. It is a small irrigation system. We can let water. It allows water to drip slowly. With the help of this, because of this, we save a lot of water and soil nutrients with the help of drip irrigation. Thank you. ನಾನು 8ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಹಿಯ ಜೀವನ ಅಂತ ಹಾಗೆ ಮನೆಗೆ ಒಂದು ಮಳೆ ಬೆಳೆಸಿದರೆ ಇದೇ ಜನರಿಗೆ ವಯಸ್ಸಾದ ಜೀವಿ ಕಾಣಿ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ಎಣ್ಣೆ ಹನಿ ಕುಡಿದರೆ ಹಳ್ಳ ಅಂತ ಹಾಗೆ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ವಯಸ್ಸೇ ಕಾಡುವ ಎಣ್ಣೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು ಮನೆಗೆ ಒಂದು ಮಗು ಬೇಕು, ಎರಡೇ ಮನೆ ಬೇಕು ಎಂಬ ಚಿಂತನೆ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಊರು, ಕಾಡು, ನಾಡು, ದೇಶ ಹಚ್ಚ ಹಸಿರಿನಿಂದ ಕಂಗೊಳಿಸುತ್ತಿದೆ. ಒಂದೊಂದು ವಯಸ್ಸೇ ಕಾಡು ಅರಣ್ಯ ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
स्कूल में आपका स्वागत है। मैं मुस्कान, मैं कोमल, मैं तेजस्वी। हमारा नाम है। हम 10वीं कक्षा की छात्रा आज आप सबसे गोल गुम्बद के बारे में जानकारी देने का प्रयास करते हैं। गोल गुम्बद कर्नाटक के बीजापुर में स्थित गोल गुम्बद का निर्माण मोहम्मद आदिल शाह ने बनाया है। कर्नाटक के बीजापुर में स्थित गोल गुम्बद आदिल शाह के परिवार की समाधि स्थल के लिए जाना जाता है। इस ऐतिहासिक गोल गुम्बद की तुलना लोग आगरा में स्थित ताजमहल से करते हैं। इस गुम्बद को पूर्ण रूप से बनकर तैयार होने में तकरीबन 30 साल का समय लगा है। इसका इतिहास 17वीं शताब्दी को माना जाता है। धन्यवाद।
Welcome to Cricket's Public School. Myself Bhakti. Our topic is natural calamities.
Natural calamity is also known as natural disaster. The International Natural Disaster Reduction is celebrated on 30th October. These events can be done by the nature itself.
There is a lots of life of private property due to this.
It has a large-scale limited or properties.
गुड मॉर्निंग आपसे ही करते तच्छे नाव मैडम नेक्स्ट गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन माय नेम इज अमृता फ्रॉम 8th स्टैंडर्ड नहीं तो वो पेन मंगवा
Distance of from a middle railway station, Chabaran is and rose a pillar clock tower and one of the important monuments situated in a heart of Chennai.
स्टार्ट करना स्टार्ट बेटा
Good morning. Welcome to Future Kids Public School. Myself, Ojasvi from 5th standard. I have prepared a presentation on nervous system. So, what is nervous system? The nervous system is one of the most important systems of our body. It controls all the other body systems and sense organs. All the activities like walking, talking, thinking are controlled by the nervous system. The nerves, spinal cord and the brain are the three parts of the nervous system. The brain is the control center of the human body. It receives information from all the parts through different nerves. An adult human brain weighs about 1.5 kg and contains millions of tiny cells. It is protected by a hard wooden skull. There is an interesting fact about brain. The left side of brain takes care of facts, maths, reasoning, etc. and controls the movement of the right side of the body. And the right side of the brain takes care of art and music skills and takes care of the left side of the body. There are three parts of the brain. They are cerebellum, cerebrum, and medulla. The spinal cord is a bunch of nerves or neurons that connects the brain with the rest of the body. It is as thick as our little finger. It begins at the neck region and continues down to the lower end of our back parts of the body. Nerves from the region of the head and the neck join the brain directly. There are three kinds of nerves. Number 1, motor nerves. Number 2, sensory nerves. And number 3, mixed nerves. Motor nerves. These nerves. My name is Ajay. I am from 8th. Good morning.